I got you.
Oh, really? All right, do you remember what we did when we first started? What we do? Seatbelt. Yes, sir.
Lady, you gotta watch your mirrors, okay? You got mirrors on both sides, and you have a car in here.
All right. You stay right
You're
here.
good. You go right ahead.
Let you put on the brakes. All right. All right, push down. There you go. You remember, didn't you? There you go. All right, take your foot off and take off. All right. That one right there. There you go. All right, put your foot back on the brake. On this right here. Yeah, there you go. I'm sorry. That one. The middle. Right there. Smash down really, really hard. Nope.
I want to
Really
capture
hard.
her.
All right, there you go. Now get the gas over here. You got it. And don't forget my stop sign. Stop. There you go. Better late than never. We're good. All right, now we give the gas. Good job. Remember, slow and easy. And what he said, we gotta look at our mirrors here and here, okay?
Check this out. Watch where you're
Take
going.
our time, slow and easy. There you go. Got a police officer watching, so no reason to be nervous at all. They're all.
Now remember to watch that truck right there next to you. He's still next to you.
Slow
Slow
down.
down. Let them know we're coming over, okay?
Slow down.
Slow down.
Slow down, press little. Take your foot off the right there. Oh, there you go.
Uh-oh.
Well, he finally got over.
You're
Yeah.
good.
This is where
Yeah.
that truck's still next to you. Remember?
Remember.
Well, he's got his mirror over here.
Slow it down. There you go. Good job.
Good
All right,
job.
we want to get in the next lane. Check your mirror. All right.
Put your blinker on.
There you go. Oh, no, just one. Just one.
Oh. That was good, lady. You got
Good
further.
job. You did good.
Good job.
Thank you very much.